everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 848 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out another product from my BoxyCharm boxes for the month of May. I will definitely have my unboxing video of my base box from BoxyCharm and my premium box linked in the description down below if you want to see that unboxing. So what I have here is from Kat Von D. It's the Ink Well Liner, the long wear matte eyeliner that I got in the shade Lolita. And I'm excited about this because it's different than my regular black liquid eyeliners that I seem to get in every single beauty subscription each month. Because this one, if I can get it out, is in this rose shade. It looks really pretty. It's definitely unique. I have never tried out an eyeliner this color on my eyes. Kat Von D is definitely known for making really nice eyeliners. This one retails for $20, and when I was looking this up online, I saw that it comes in like 6 shades on the Kat Von D website. There's some blues and reds, so I like that there's some pops of color, not just standard black. I also love that this is cruelty free and vegan. So let's check it out. It's cute packaging too. Oh yeah, I would have expected it to have a brush applicator since it's separate like this. It's not just a pen, but it has a felt tip, which is very, very pointy. So this looks promising. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little swatch. Uh-oh, that feels dry. Even though seems like there's a lot of ink in here, it's swatched kind of dry. So it'll be interesting to see how it applies to my eye, but I like this color. It's basically the shade of a perfect nude lipstick. I wonder if I can use this on my lips if I don't end up liking the color for my eyes. I feel like if it's safe for my eyes, it's safe for my lips, but I don't really know. Let's just hope I like it for my eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my upper lash line. It's definitely showing up, but it feels kind of dry on my eye, and I'm very surprised by that. It doesn't seem like the applicator holds much product, but I think I was able to make it work. I just hope that it keeps working. I kind of like this color. It's flattering for my green eyes, and it's not as much of a pop of color as I would have expected. It actually looks kind of neutral. I feel like this would look so good with a brown smoky eye, but I also feel like it would look really good with, you know, a blue, purple, colorful eye look. So it's more versatile than I originally thought now that I'm seeing it on my eye. And it does have that matte finish. I think it's fun. Definitely not a shade that I would have chosen on my own for a liquid liner, but those are some of my favorite products to try out, are the shades that are out of my comfort zone. And this is definitely out of my comfort zone for a liquid eyeliner shade, but it does not look bad. I'm kind of struggling to get a very thin line on the upper lash line because this is so dry. So it's becoming more of a thick line, but I kind of like the look of that as well. I think it makes the color show up more. I just kind of realized though, if I wanted to wear false lashes, I wouldn't be able to with this liner because the lash band would pretty much cover up this liner and the lash band would not be able to blend in with it at all. So that does kind of limit the uses of this liner because My main purpose of wearing a liquid liner is when I'm wearing false lashes, to hide the lash band, just make everything look more cohesive and natural. But this kind of just reminds me of an eyeshadow. Like, this is an eyeshadow shade that I would like, and I could easily create this line with an eyeshadow because it's, like I said, it's not a very thin line. It's got a matte finish. So now I'm realizing that I could have achieved this look many times before with just a rose shade eyeshadow. It's pigmented, it looks nice, it's a nice color, but I am not crazy about it in liquid liner form. Let's see if this is, yeah, definitely smudge proof, long lasting, so that's really nice. I don't know, now it's kind of growing on me just wearing this as the liner. It's an easy eye look, which is a slight pop, but still neutral. Now that I keep looking at myself in the mirror, I like it. I feel like it really does make my green eyes look lighter and more enhanced. So maybe I do like this, but I would just wear it more on its own. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Let me know what you think of this. Do you think it looks good? Do you think it looks good alone? Do I need to use other eyeshadows with it? It's definitely kind of weird, but maybe it's a good weird. But even still, I'm not crazy about how it applied. I didn't like how dry it was. It wasn't the easiest to apply. So I personally would not spend $20 on it. But since I have it in my collection, I think that I would reach for it again. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Stay safe and healthy.